Welcome to a new CABSUMMER Eco Camp video. This week, we had a blast learning about the Earth, climate, weather, satellites, streams, and underwater robots, also known as ROVs. We got to go outside and collect weather data, build geographic models, and even look at satellite data. We learned how to plot GPS coordinates using handheld devices. We measured wind speed, temperature, and even how bright the sun was at different locations. It was so interesting seeing how the sun affects some areas differently, even areas that are just feet apart. It was almost 10 degrees cooler in the shade than it was when in the sun. We even learned how to draw mountains. We made mountains out of Play-Doh and then sliced the mountains into tiny layers and drew each layer. It was really fun being creative and building whatever we wanted. Afterwards, we got the chance to look at real satellite data and images. We could pick anywhere in the world and look at historical imagery to see how the area has changed over time. Later in the week, we got to build and fly drones. Some of us were even successful at getting our drone stuck in a tree. One of the highlights of the week was going to the White Clay Creek Preserve. We got to test the water for pollution and look for animals in the water. We even got the opportunity to explore the stream on our own. It was awesome. Finally, it was time to build the underwater robots. So we separated into teams to come up with the best design. So we did our internet research and started our builds. It took a lot of trial and error, but each team came up with a good robot design that was able to move throughout the water. This week was so much fun. We learned about the Earth and the environment, flew drones, looked for animals, and swam in a creek, and built robots. We competed against each other in the robot builds. We ate ice cream and made new friends. It was great.